All right, so let's go ahead and do some modeling. So the fractions that we want to model are 1/6. Let me get to my pen. All right, so we're going to model 1/6. Got to click this pen. All right, let's see. 1/6 and 5/8. Those are the two fractions that we're modeling, and we wanted to prove that when we had a factor of 4 for 1/6 and a factor of 3, that we would get 4 out of 24. So we get 15 out of 24. So 15 out of 24, and then we're going to add those together to get 19/24. Okay, so we just want to prove that these are exact equivalent to 19 out of 24. So to do that, I'm going to click on my bar. I'm first going to do 1/6 and make a model for 1/6. And we'll just do this in red. Okay, and I'm going to move it over a little bit. All right, now let's do a model for 5/8. So we'll do 8 parts. And let's move this down. 5/8. And I'll do red again. All right, so when we're all done, our fractions should actually be these two combined. So when I combine these two, that's how big our 19 out of 24 should be, okay? All right, now we're going to make a model for this one right here, 4 out of 24. So I'm going to type in my own denominator since I don't see it there. And we'll bring this over here. And we'll do 4 parts. We'll do orange. Try that again. Okay, all right, and then we're going to do another one for 24 as the denominator, and we're going to model 15 out of 24. All right, and we want to make sure we don't adjust the size. We want to keep these all the original sizes. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In fact, I could actually cheat a little bit. Click on here and see how it says 14 out of 24. So I know I need one more. All right, so that actually would be really helpful if you use this little icon right here. It'll add your fraction, your denominators for you, and then you can see right there. All right, so now I see that if I were to take this and I drag it over here, that 4 out of 24 is the exact same size as 1/6, so we know that's correct. If I drag this over here, I know that 15/25 is the same as 5/8. So since that is correct, our final answer should also be correct. So let's go ahead and model that. So let's put a 24 here. Okay. And I'm going to cheat. I already have that there, which is really helpful. So I'm going to leave that by clicking on that. So I'm just going to start filling these up. In fact, I can drag this. So it's kind of like if you can drag it over the mouse. Oops, try that again. And go to 19. All right, so I've got one extra. All right, so if we have done it correctly, when I pull this over here, and I pull this over here, we will see that they're the exact same size. So you can see that we've actually done this correctly. So we have proven that our models and our fractions are all the same. All right, so that's how you're going to model it. When you get done, you can just take a screenshot of this and post it to your assignment.